Okay, let's talk about this Scout 3 by Drive. Let's go and talk about how to make adjustments on the seat post. So say for instance you have a customer that's taller and his legs, you know, he's really tall dude and his legs are really high up whenever he sits on his scooter. You want to make sure that you make adjustments to the seat post, which is going to be this one right here. So let's move this stopper out of the way. Let's move the battery out of the way. Okay, now this one is going to have a hex bolt, which is that one right there, and then it's going to have a bolt on the back or on this other side, and I believe that's probably going to be a half. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see, I believe this one's going to be, what size is this? 7/32. Okay, so I mean that's kind of loose, but I mean you probably can use the 7, but that's too loose. So let's try to find a different one. Okay, perfect. So this one is going to be a number 6. Okay, so that's your number 6, and let's go with the half, but I'm probably wrong, so let's try the half. Where are you at? It's probably this one. Let's see, it might be a 7/16. Okay, so it is a half. So let's remove my adapter. Let's put that back in here. We're going to put that half in here, and then we're going to use what I do with the number 6. Did I put it back in here? Here it is. So we're going to use the number 6. We're going to pop that in there on that hex bolt, and then we're going to remove that. Perfect. Should have come off. Yep, there it is. Hopefully you guys saw that. Okay, so it's a 1/2 inch nut. It just went, I'm not sure you guys can see that, but it went back here. Okay, right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the hex bolt. We might have to tap it a little bit. It shouldn't be that tight, but I think there we go. Once you loosen it up, it'll come out. All right, so let's remove that. It does have a washer on the back. There's your washer, and then it has a spacer in between because it does have a largely hole right in there. But anyways, so now you have your adjustments. You have 1, 2, and 3 that you could adjust. So I always set it to the highest, and then if I have to readjust, I will. You can set it all the way down, but I'm gonna do the highest seat post. That way the customer is comfortable. So we put the washer in the back, and then we just put this nut back here. So let's do that. But anyways, that's how you adjust the height on the seat. Let's go ahead and use this impact drill. There we go. And we just want to make sure that it's nice and tight, that it doesn't move around, just like that. And then you just put your battery pack back in there, put your stopper, tying it up, and that's how you adjust your seat post on the Scout 3. Same thing on the Scout 4. Hopefully that helps.